Hello, wonderful boys and girls, and welcome to Learning with Avant-garde Books. I'm Cherie Hardy, and today we're going to be learning about the short E sound. That's right, boys and girls, the short E sound. What I would like for you to do is get in a very comfortable place and make sure that you are relaxed so that we can learn together. Let's learn about the short E sound. Wonderful boys and girls, remember that the E can make two sounds. It can make a short sound and a long sound. The short E sound sounds like like an elephant. And then you also have the long E sound that sounds like E, like an eat or meat. Today, though, we are going to focus on the short E sound. Let's get ready to keep learning. All right, look at your screen, and what you will see is the alphabet. The alphabet, it has 26 letters, but today we are going to only focus on the E, particularly the short E sound. All right, boys and girls, the next slide will start our lesson. What is the short E sound? The short E sound is like in eggs or legs. I would like for you to try it. Let's say the short E sound together. And after I say the word, I would like for you to say the word with the short E sound. Eggs, legs. Great job. Let's keep learning, boys and girls. Here are more words with the short E sound. I will say them first, and then you say them after me. Pet, net. You did a wonderful job because the short E sound makes the sound eh. Let's keep going. Boys and girls, here are more words with the short E sound. Men, 10. Remember the short E sound like eh. Men, 10. Good job. Now we have two new words with the short E sound. Bell, shell. I'll say the word one more time and then you say it after me. Bell, shell. You did a great job. Let's keep going. These words, boys and girls, are vest, nest. I'll say the word and you repeat after me. Vest, nest. The short E sound is like in vest and nest. You are brilliant, boys and girls. We have a few more slides to go. Look at the pictures. Can you say the words on the screen? I bet you can. That's right, that first word is shelves. Shelves. And the second word is elf. Elf. Let's say them one more time. I'll say the word and you repeat after me. Shelves. Elf. You are awesome. Let's keep going. When you look at your screen, boys and girls, you will see a list of words. These words all make the short E sound. I'm going to say the word and I want you to repeat after me. I'll start with the word bed, fed, led, read, and wed. Now we have egg, beg, leg, peg. Then there is bell, sell, fell, sell, and tail. Then you have bend, fend, lend, mend, rend, send, and vend. Our last column of words. Repeat after me. Ben, den, hen, men, pen, tin, and yen. Bravo! You did a fantastic job. Don't ever forget your learning potential is limitless. The next slides, boys and girls, we're going to do a little activity to check your understanding. Just wait for my instructions. Let's keep going. All right, look at the pictures, boys and girls. Can you guess which word has the short E sound? You got it right. It is wet. Wet makes the short E sound. Wet. The other word is wheat. It makes the long E sound. So the word with the short E sound is wet. Good job. Here are two new words. Which word has the short E sound? Is it shell or is it sheet? Right, you are so smart. The word is shell. Shell has the short E sound. We have a few more slides to go. You are incredible. Now, boys and girls, we have leaves and legs. Leaves and legs. Which one of these words makes the short E sound? Perfect. You're right. It's legs. Legs makes the short E sound. Let's keep learning together. Now we have tin and tent. Tin and tent. Which word makes the short E sound? This is amazing. You are right. Both words make the short E sound. Tin and tent both make the short E sound. You are brilliant. We have one more slide to go. Thank you for watching and listening and learning with us. Our last two words are mean and man. Mean and man. Which one of these words makes the short E sound? You got it right. It's the word on the right. Men makes the short E sound. Yay! You did a phenomenal job. I am so proud of you, boys and girls. Remember, boys and girls, that the E makes two sounds. It can make the sound of or it can make the sound of E. E and Today we focused on the short E sound. What is the short E sound? You did it again. You're right. It is like an elephant. Well, boys and girls, thank you for learning with Avant-garde books. Take care.